Okay, inverse functions. So here's a function. Not that it matters, but it looks a little bit like that and just goes on forever. We don't need to be too worried about that. But we want to know what the inverse function is. So the terminology is the inverse function is y to the negative 1, the inverse. So our process here is we just swap the x's and y's. So I'm going to go x equals like that. And now I've just got to rearrange that. We've done lots of rearranging worksheets, haven't we? So that the inverse function of y is over there to the left equals. I'm going to do it without putting the negative 1 through my working because it gets a little confusing. Okay, so the first thing I've got to do is get rid of this square root to have it a square both sides. And then I want my 7 to the other side. And clearly I can just go y equals x squared minus 7. It's not y equals though, is it? It's the inverse function. So right at the end, just make sure your terminology is right. So that is the inverse function of that. Okay, nice and simple. Just swap the x's and y's and rearrange.